Rajamouli, please.
Rise in the role of the new empire. The roar, revolt will take us higher. Are you ready for the rage? Are you ready for the roar? Are you ready to rise? All together revolt.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, she is someone जो भी किरदार निभाती हैं उसके स्किन के अंदर चली जाती हैं, and she is the very gorgeous, the very talented Alia Bhatt, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, make some noise. एक नारी सब पे भारी. So, ladies and gentlemen, Alia Bhatt. And now, ladies and gentlemen, versatility जो है वो उनका दूसरा नाम है. You know who I am talking about. Give it up for Mr. Ajay Devgan, one of the finest actors of the Indian film industry, and we love him.
Yeah, invite my buddy.
I'm about to tell you what I'm feeling when you listen to the rhythm and the melody.
Yeah, onto the stage.
Rise in the role of the new empire. The roar, revolt will take us higher. Are you ready for the rage? Are you ready for the roar? Are you ready to rise? All together revolt.
Biggest mass hero of the generation, ladies and gentlemen, NTR Jr.
Are you ready for the rage?
Honestly, it's a magical moment for me. It's just being a part of Rajamouli film spectacle. Oh my God! Like I don't think I would have ever expected this to actually come true, and it did. So thank you for that, sir.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब ऐसा रिस्पॉन्स मिलता है. ऑब्वियसली इसी वजह से तो हम काम करते हैं, इसी के लिए तो हम काम करते हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच.
Nervous, very nervous. Yeah, first interaction with them. Very nervous, makes me feel I've gone back 20 years again in the industry. Well, looking forward. Thank you so much.
And now it's over to the media. I know आप लोगों के बहुत सारे सवाल हैं. So shoot.
अभी हमने आपका एक सॉन्ग देखा, जननी. इतना मेस्मराइजिंग, इतना खूबसूरत कि मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ उसका एक्सपीरियंस. राजामौली जी का जो सिनेमा है वो बहुत अलहदा है, ये तो हम जानते हैं, बहुत अलग तरह का है. लेकिन आप खुद एक डायरेक्टर हैं, तो डायरेक्टर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपको उनकी क्या चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा अपील की?
इनकी सोच बहुत बड़ी के अलावा बिल्कुल अलग है. हर रोज़ ये हर नए किस्म की नए वर्जन की एक महाभारत पढ़ते हैं, और महाभारत एक ऐसी है कि उसमें दुनिया का कोई कैरेक्टर नहीं बचा जो उसमें नहीं है.
For me, Rajamouli has been one director who's always satisfied my thirst of wanting to do something new.
How difficult it is also to know that everybody is expecting a bigger movie than Bahubali, and everybody is expecting a bigger performance at the box office than Bahubali. How do you separate that?
Obviously, a lot of people will be expecting the same kind of film after Bahubali, but we can't keep making the same films again and again. But the trick is, if you look deeply, the audience are not waiting for another Bahubali. They are waiting for the kind of experience they had in the film.
How many movies that you were offered and you had to let it go by because you know this is too special?
I was offered only one movie, Triple R. Do you think even someone would even dare come up and ask for your dates when Rajamouli is doing a movie? Impossible.
Somebody may have guts.
नहीं, वैसा नहीं होता है यार. You know, it's like you just have to. I mean, the sooner you accept, the better it is.
आलिया जी, आजकल का जो सबसे ट्रेंडिंग अल्फ़ाबेट है वो है आर. सो आपकी भी लाइफ में एक बहुत बड़े आर हैं, तो आप मानती हैं कि आर बहुत लकी फैक्टर है आपके लिए?
I'm stumped. मेरे पास जवाब नहीं है. जी, R is a lovely alphabet, but so is A.
As an actor, what were your emotions like on the first day of the shoot and the last day of the shoot?
So the emotions were excitement to get it right, and of course once it was done, I was quite sad when I experienced with Sir's over, but hopefully I'll have another one.
मेरा सवाल अजय देवगन और एनटीआर से है कि आप दोनों
बहुत बड़े सुपरस्टार्स हो, दोनों का अपना एक ऑरा है, दोनों का अपना एक स्टाइल है, आप दोनों का एक दूसरे के साथ काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? और साथ ही साथ मैं चाहूंगी कि अजय देवगन आता माजी सटकली बोले और एनटीआर जी उसे कॉपी करें, और ये एक परफेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन होगा जब फैंस जाकर के आप दोनों को साथ में देखेंगे.
First of all, I would just like to tell you something.
Don't tell anything. Please.
Please do not even compare me with Ajay sir. For his seniority, for a man he is. We were kids. We grew up watching his films, and he was our very own action superstar then and even now. So I still remember his entry in Phul Aur Khante, you know, where he was standing on top of a bike, and I was like, yaar, aisa kaise ho sakta hai, yaar, can I do it? And my mom was like, no. This is movie and it happens only in movies. This doesn't happen in... That entry for me was like crazy.
जैसा कि इन्होंने कहा, anyways, thank you for making me feel so old.
I was expecting that. Atamaji Satakli.
साथ में नहीं, I'll say you repeat. Atamaji Satakli I did this.
Atamaji Satakli. That's from Singham, right?
ठीक है. जैसे इन्होंने बोला लैंग्वेज और बैरियर नहीं होता, मेरे साथ बहुत हुआ, क्योंकि धनया जी प्रोड्यूसर हैं और इनको हिंदी नहीं आती, मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती. तो मतलब हम लोग नंबर पे ही पेपर पे लिखते थे और एक दूसरे को समझते थे.